The first submarines of Israel, the British Springer and Sanjin, were commissioned back in 1959. That marked the beginning of a new era for the country's naval forces. Today, it includes 5 modern submarines: Dolphin, Tannan, Leviathan, Rahav, and Huma. These submarines were built in Germany and have become an integral part of the Israeli Navy's strategy. And that's not all. Right now, the construction of a new Dakar-class submarine is wrapping up, which will mark the beginning of replacing the current boats with even more advanced models. It's a symbol of innovation, technology, and strategic power. From such a small beginning in 1959, Israel was able to create one of the most advanced submarine fleets in the world. I want to tell you more about a true marvel of engineering, the Israeli Dolphin-class submarines. These submarines are the pride of the Israeli Navy, and their capabilities are truly impressive. The Dolphin submarines were designed in Germany specifically for Israel. They are distinguished by a high level of autonomy and can stay underwater for up to 50 days. These are truly multi-purpose submarines, equipped with a powerful diesel-electric propulsion system and modern detection systems. It's their ability to dive to depths of up to 1,115 feet. Just imagine the possibilities that open up for research and mission execution. These submarines have 10 torpedo tubes for launching torpedoes and missiles, including harpoon missiles. They operate in challenging conditions, remaining virtually undetectable. Inside, everything is meticulously designed. With 3 decks, comfortable cabins, and a compartment for combat divers, the Dolphin symbolizes innovation and cutting-edge technology. 3 decks, comfortable cabins, and even a special compartment for combat swimmers to exit. Dolphin is not just a submarine, but a symbol of innovation and advanced technology. Israel has invested the best into these submarines to make them not only a reliable means of defense. Interesting facts about the crocodile in the service of the Israeli Navy. We're talking about the Dolphin-class submarine named Tannan, which means crocodile in Hebrew. This submarine was built in Germany, and the Israeli crew brought it to the port of Haifa. And, the meeting was really impressive. The entire naval fleet based in Haifa, including inflatable landing boats, came out to greet her. This is already the 3rd crocodile in the service of Israel. The 2 previous ones have long been retired, but I hope this one will serve for a long time. Although it is not a nuclear submarine, it is capable of carrying nuclear-tipped cruise missiles. This makes it extremely significant for the country's defense strategy. But the Israeli Navy didn't stop there. Let me introduce you to the Dolphin II-class submarines. When I first learned about them, I was impressed by how much these submarines are ahead of their time. Dolphin II submarines are impressive with their autonomy. They can stay underwater for so long that they start to seem like a part of the ocean itself. Their developers thought of everything to make sure these submarines are not just reliable, but also as efficient as possible. For example, their surveillance and environmental analysis systems allow them to see and hear what's happening over vast distances. But what really impresses is their ability to remain undetected. What happens over vast distances? What truly impresses is their ability to stay undetected. Special technologies make these boats nearly invisible to detection systems. And now let's turn our attention back to the American Virginia-class submarines. If you think submarines are just stealthy machines, the Virginia will change your mind. It's not just a submarine. It's a real underwater hub of technology. I was especially impressed by their ability to work with underwater drones. Imagine, the special module allows these little research devices to be launched right from underwater. They help to explore the ocean depths and study the seabed, or carry out complex tasks from a distance. This literally turns the Virginia into a command center underwater. But that's not all. Their speed underwater is truly amazing. These boats can maneuver quickly even in the toughest conditions while remaining virtually undetectable. When I learned how these submarines work in real conditions, I realized that these are not just machines, but masterpieces of engineering. The Virginia sets the standard. And every time I read about its capabilities, I think, what other secrets do the oceans hold? And what will these submarines be able to uncover in the future? I wonder what other secrets the oceans hide, and what will these submarines be able to uncover in the future? Let's move over to Germany and talk about the Type 212A submarine. To be honest, when I first heard about them, I was impressed by how the Germans were able to combine traditional quality with real innovation. These boats run on hydrogen fuel cells. And it's not only environmentally friendly, it's also incredibly quiet. Just imagine a submarine that is practically silent underwater. Thanks to this technology, the Type 212A remains undetectable by most detection systems. Even the most advanced sonars often just can't detect them. It's like an invisible man doing its job without leaving a trace. It's especially interesting how they handle tasks in coastal water. You need to be agile and invisible here. The space is tighter, and it's easier to spot something. The Type 212A seems to dissolve in the water, staying in control, because there is less space, and it is easier to find something. The Type 212A seems to dissolve into water, staying in control. Now that's a true masterpiece. Germany shows it can create reliable, eco-friendly, advanced technology Germany proves once again that it knows how to create technology that combines reliability, eco-friendliness, and cutting-edge technology. Swedish Gotland-class submarines revolutionized underwater engineering as the first to use air-independent Stirling engines, greatly extending underwater time without surfacing. This gives Gotland unique capabilities for long-duration stealth missions. This allows them to operate underwater without the need to surface for air. This advantage gives Gotland unique capabilities for long-term covert missions. The unique feature of the Gotland is their ability to operate underwater for up to 2 weeks without surfacing, which makes them practically undetectable by most modern detection systems. Such characteristics allow these submarines to remain deep in the ocean, which makes them practically undetectable by most modern detection systems. Such characteristics allow these submarines to stay deep in the ocean, carrying out complex tasks under conditions of high secrecy. The design of the Gotland also deserves attention. The submarines are equipped with a modern noise reduction system that makes them practically silent. This, combined with their compact size, allows them to maneuver effectively in coastal waters, staying out of the enemy's reach. These submarines have shown their effectiveness even in training conditions. The Gotland successfully detected and hit an American aircraft carrier during exercises. This case is a striking example of how effective these submarines are at carrying out tasks that require stealth and precision. The Gotland is not just a submarine. It's an example of how technology can be applied to create unique solutions that are changing the game underwater. The Chinese Type 039A Yuan submarine is a prime example of a modern approach to underwater engineering. Built with the latest technologies in mind, it combines stealth, efficiency, and high autonomy. This makes it one of the most impressive submarines of its time. One of the key features of the Type 039A Yuan is its advanced noise reduction system. Thanks to this, the submarine is practically invisible underwater, which is especially important for operating in complex and dynamic conditions. Its silent operation allows not only to minimize the risk of detection, but also to successfully cope with tasks where stealth is crucial. The detection and analysis systems installed on the Type 039A Yuan enable it to effectively explore the surrounding environment. These technologies enable the sub to detect and analyze objects, making it suitable for ocean exploration, making it an ideal tool for exploring ocean depths and maritime routes. Another advantage of the Type 039A Yuan is its versatility. The boat is capable of performing a wide range of tasks, including work in coastal waters and at depth, remaining efficient and reliable in all conditions. For me, the Type 039A Yuan is a prime example of how modern technologies can come together to create a truly unique underwater vessel. Chinese engineering is making serious strides forward, and the Type 039A Yuan is one of the best examples of that. The Norwegian Ula class submarines have always caught my attention with their unique combination of compactness and efficiency. These small but incredibly reliable submarines are true masters of survival in the harsh conditions of the northern seas. What's most impressive is their ability to operate in extremely low temperatures. Arctic waters, ice pressure, and strong currents, none of that is a problem for the ULA. Arctic waters, ice pressure, and strong currents. None of this is a problem for the ULA. Their body is designed from high-strength materials that can easily withstand such tests. And the heating and thermal insulation systems ensure stable operation of all internal mechanisms, which is especially important in such harsh conditions. I'm amazed by their maneuverability. Thanks to their compact size, the ULA can move silently in coastal waters, where the complex seabed and limited spaces demand incredible precision. These boats literally glide underwater, remaining almost undetectable to detection systems, where complex bottom topography and confined spaces require incredible precision. These boats literally glide underwater, remaining almost undetectable to detection systems. Another amazing feature is their sonar systems. They are capable of detecting targets at long distances, even in complex acoustic environments. And the power plant allows the boats to stay underwater for a long time. This makes them indispensable for long-term stealth operations. For me, the ULA is proof that even small submarines can be very strong and dependable. South Korean KSS-3 class submarines are technological marvels, combining cutting-edge developments with high combat effectiveness. For effective operation, South Korean KSS-3 class submarines are true technological masterpieces, combining cutting-edge developments with high combat effectiveness. The first batch of these submarines includes 2 boats that have already been delivered to the fleet, Dosan on Shunho from 2021 and on Mu from 2023. Built by DSME. The third submarine, Shinchai-ho, is currently being completed with the old sensor. Hyundai Heavy Industries and the order for the 4th submarine was placed with Hanwha Ocean in 2023. The features of the second batch, KSS-3, are impressive. These boats have an increased displacement of up to 4,000 tons, with a hull length of 293 feet and 3 inches. With a width of 31 feet and 10 inches and a draft of 24 feet and 1 inch. The power system uses Li-ion batteries for longer, quieter underwater operation, making these boats formidable. And lithium-ion batteries, which significantly extend the time they can stay underwater and enable almost silent movement. What makes these boats especially formidable? So, this is their armament. The KSS-3 is equipped with 6 21-inch torpedo tubes and vertical launch systems for 10 Yuan ML4 missiles, capable of hitting targets up to 497 miles away. The future plans for the KSS-3 are already laid out. The lead boat of the second batch is set to be launched in 2025 and to be delivered to the fleet in 2027. The third submarine will be built by 2031. These submarines are not just symbols of advanced engineering prowess, but also powerful tools for carrying out a wide range of tasks. South Korea continues to prove that its submarine fleet is one of the most innovative and effective in the world. Russian multipurpose submarines of the Yasen class are a prime example of advanced technology in submarine shipbuilding. These quiet submarines are known for their stealth, making them nearly impossible to detect underwater. One of the main features of these submarines is the hypersonic missile Zircon, which make them extremely effective in carrying out strategic missions. In addition, the Yasen has capabilities that are suitable for interception. The boat can reach speeds of up to 31 knots, allowing it to catch up with even the fastest surface ships. Another impressive feature is the ability to dive to a depth of up to 1,968 feet. 1968 feet. Such depth significantly expands the submarine's capabilities in maneuvers and stealth operations. The upgraded version of the Yasen M is equipped with the NGK-600B hydroacoustic complex Irtish Amphra B055, or the Lyra complex antenna. These systems allow for target detection at distances of up to 199 miles, which makes the submarine one of the most technologically advanced in the world. The Yasen isn't just a submarine, it's a high-tech machine capable of effectively tackling tasks at both the strategic level, as well as in short-range operations. So, friends, we've taken an amazing journey through the depths of the oceans. We got to know some unique submarines and took a peek into the world of advanced technologies. When I study these submarines, I see not just machines, but symbols of human genius that bring together the best technologies, innovations, and courage. And you know, I feel like behind each of these stories, there's not just technical progress, but also a spirit of exploration, a desire to push beyond the ordinary. If stories like these inspire you, just like they do me, and you want to share knowledge to amaze and inspire others, then we have a great opportunity. We're creating content that takes your breath away and opens up new horizons. If you're passionate about video editing, voiceovers, or writing engaging scripts, join our team. Together, we can share unique stories that inspire millions. Message our Telegram bot and start your journey to creating vibrant content. Your creativity can make the world even more interesting. Thank you for joining me on this underwater adventure. See you in new stories about the world, technology, and its incredible inventions.